Tonight, the U.S. Supreme Court is set to revisit birthright citizenship. Tennessee Attorney General Jonathan Skrmetti is one of 23 state attorneys general asking the Justice Department to reinterpret the 14th Amendment. Here's News 2's Kelly Milan.
The idea that being born on U.S. soil grants citizenship has been so broadly accepted that it rarely invites debate, much less litigation. Yet today, the Supreme Court has agreed to revisit a question not tested in more than a century. Does birth alone define American citizenship, or did the 14th Amendment intend something else?
And the question really is, what limits does the language of the law actually impose?
Immigration attorneys and civil rights advocates reacted quickly. Surprised, the High Court agreed to take up the challenge at all.
After they overturned Roe, we should never be in shock. But when they declined to take up a challenge to same-sex marriage, then I thought that maybe this would not be challenged. But as we found out today, it is.
The court will re-examine the scope of the United States v. Wong Kim Ark, the 1898 decision, which found a child born in San Francisco to Chinese parents living here legally was a citizen from birth. That ruling has guided immigration law for 126 years. But Attorney General Jonathan Skrmetti, among other attorneys general, argue Wong Kim Ark never answered today's question. What happens when the parents are present only briefly or without lawful status?
Wong Kim Ark does not say anything about people who are here illegally. The family in Wong Kim Ark was lawfully present in the United States. Immigration laws have changed a lot since then, and the courts never squarely addressed this issue. It's something that matters a lot to the people and the elected officials of Tennessee.
If birthright citizenship is not absolute, immigration attorneys say someone must determine which births qualify, potentially requiring hospitals or state agencies to verify parental status at the moment of delivery.
It could leave people stateless.
Haley, the court's decision could shape the legal identity of entire generations. Skrmetti predicts a decision by summer. Either way, the High Court will determine what it truly means to be an American. Back to you.